What is compassionate releases in criminal justice? Imagine being seriously ill or facing a life-threatening condition while locked up. Would you want a chance to be with your loved ones during such a tough time? That's where compassionate releases comes into play. It is a process within the criminal justice system that allows certain inmates to leave prison early, but only under specific, extraordinary circumstances. Compassionate releases is mainly used for inmates with severe medical issues, terminal illnesses, or those who are very old and no longer pose a threat to society. It recognizes that keeping someone in prison when they are suffering from debilitating health problems can be inhumane. This process is designed to balance compassion with public safety. Unlike parole, which depends on an inmate's behavior and rehabilitation efforts, compassionate releases is granted because of urgent health or family reasons. It's about showing mercy when the inmate's situation warrants it. Historically, this process was rarely used and often criticized for inconsistency. But recent laws, like the First Step Act, have made it clearer and easier for inmates to qualify. The process usually starts with a formal request. This can be made by the inmate, their lawyer, or the prison authorities. The request is then reviewed by prison officials and the courts. They look at the inmate's medical condition, age, family circumstances, and whether they still pose a danger to the community. The court then decides whether to approve or deny the early releases. Compassionate releases can help reduce overcrowding in prisons and lower healthcare costs. It also promotes a more humane approach to corrections by considering the dignity and needs of vulnerable inmates. For families, it offers a chance to be with loved ones during serious health crises. From a criminology point of view, compassionate releases raises questions about justice and mercy. It challenges the idea that punishment must always be strict and emphasizes that sometimes compassion is part of justice. But it's important to carefully assess each case to ensure community safety isn't compromised. In the end, compassionate releases is a way to show kindness and fairness within the corrections system. It allows inmates facing extraordinary circumstances to be with their families and receive proper care, reflecting a more balanced approach to justice and rehabilitation.